The Ngong Veterinary Affordable Housing Project, Boma Yangu Ngong Vet Estate, is an ongoing government-backed mixed-use real estate development located on a 24.2-acre piece of land in Ngong Town, Kajiado County. Phase 1 of the project involved the construction of 1,910 to 2,000 residential units distributed across 20 blocks, offering options for varying income groups under social, affordable, and market rate housing. Units are available for purchase outright or through a flexible tenant purchase scheme via the Boma Yangu Portal. Housing category: social, 1-bedroom unit. Cash price 640,000, rent per month 3,800. Social 2-bedroom unit. Cash price 960,000, rent per month 5,200. Social 3-bedroom unit. Cash price 1,280,000, rent per month 6,500. Under affordable category, studio apartment, 1 million cash price, rent per month 7,600. 2-bedroom and affordable, 2 million, rent per month 15,100. 3-bedroom and affordable, 3 million, rent per month 22,600. Under market category, 2-bedroom unit, 3,600,000, rent per month 33,200. Under market category, 3-bedroom unit, 4,800,000, rent per month 44,300. Estate features and planned amenities. The gated community incorporates modern living infrastructure alongside educational and recreational facilities. Education and recreation. On-site kindergarten, primary school, basketball pitch, clubhouse and a swimming pool. Commercial support, a modern commercial center and a mixed-use development space. Infrastructure, landscaped green space, curb road paved roads, walkways, boundary walls, and a specialized sewer line, and a wastewater treatment facility. How to apply? Number 1, register. Sign up for free on your official Boma Yangu Portal using your eCitizen profile. You must be a Kenyan citizen over 18 with a valid national ID. Number 2, select preference. Complete your profile details and choose Ngong Vet Estate as your preferred housing project. Number 3, save. Open your housing fund account and start contributing standard deposits or monthly allocation toward your target unit. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.